What's up everybody? Alex here from Uncanny Wellness, and today I'm going to help you answer the question, which form of CBD is right for you? For somebody new to the world of CBD products, it could be a very overwhelming choice for which type of CBD to actually take. There's tinctures, creams, capsules, powders, edibles, you name it, it's out there. But really, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind when choosing the right product, and this video should help make the whole process easier. So one of the first things that you should consider when choosing a CBD product is whether the brand is legit or not. There's a lot of really high quality brands that care about transparency, care about quality of product and sourcing, but there's also a lot of people out there that are just trying to cash in on the craze and earn a quick buck. Some easy ways to tell whether or not a company is legit or not is, do they offer documents that show the legitimacy of their product, a certificate of analysis? Are they willing to divulge the sourcing with you? Do they participate in industry events? Are there actual people in the company that you could track down that work there? Use your best judgment, see if they're in any stores, and talk to people, but you can generally find out whether a company is actually making quality products or not. The second thing that you want to consider when choosing the right CBD product is which form of the product you actually want to take it in. There are tinctures, creams, vapes, edibles, beverages, powders, and they all have different benefits that are important to know. Choosing which form of extract is best for you is directly related to how you actually want to use it. Let me explain what that means. Tinctures are meant to be taken under the tongue. Creams are of course meant to be rubbed into your skin. Vapes and dabs and other concentrates are meant to be inhaled. So you have to figure out the way that you want to take your CBD, and then that helps dictate which form of CBD you should actually go out and purchase. So you can generally break it down like this. If you want to absorb the CBD through your skin, you really have two options. One is a cream or a salve. The other would be a transdermal patch. I would recommend the cream or salve because those will typically have other beneficial ingredients. Tinctures are basically the oil CBD extract mixed with a carrier oil. Because of that, your body can only efficiently absorb that tincture, that oil, under the tongue. And any tincture brand out there will tell you that the best way to absorb their CBD is sublingually. If not, you're not getting proper absorption of what's inside. And the same goes for capsules. If you just put oil into a capsule and swallow that, then you're not going to get high absorption rates. Scientific studies have shown several times that oil in the stomach, unless converted into another form, has really poor absorption rates. We're talking as low as 20%. So the third main and increasingly popular option for taking CBD is to consume it into your stomach, either in a capsule or in an edible or an infused product or in a water-soluble powder like we have. Now, if this option is the one you choose, then it's important to know one thing, and it goes back to the same bioavailability question with the sublingual tincture thing. Basically, any CBD product that you decide to consume orally and absorb in your gastrointestinal tract has to be converted for increased bioavailability. That's what we specialize in at Uncanny Wellness. We make a water-soluble powder converted from an oil extract that is literally designed for optimized absorption in the stomach, whether in a capsule, beverage, food, or anything else. And so that pretty much sums it up. Number one, make sure you're choosing a product from a reputable brand. Number two, you got to figure out what form your extract is going to be in, and that's all based upon number three, the actual way that you want to take it. And although tinctures are by far the most common and popular form of taking CBD, you can really only absorb those sublingually. Dropping a tincture into a coffee, tea, juice, smoothie, food, or anything is just not getting you the absorption that you would expect. So unless you're okay dropping 5 times the amount of tincture into your juice just to absorb the same amount as if you would hold it under your tongue, then go for it. But if you do want a form of CBD that you could ingest, make sure you get something that's made for ingestion in the stomach. That's all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a comment down below or a question if you have any. I would really appreciate it if you could share it with your friends, help other people maybe decide what form of CBD is right for them. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel. That's all for now. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Peace.